Okay, all the drawers in. But the only thing that needs to happen, guy, is that we need some left and some right rollers because the old thing that was on here is off. You need some stabilizers put in here on the left and the right side because it's resting on the frame. They got them at Home Depot or Lowe's. It's left and right spacers and guiders. See, they don't have none on any of them here. These are some old 55 cabinets and they didn't have that stuff back then. But the rollers go on the left side here and the right side here. And it needs to go on all of them. Just to make the drawer stable and level. But it's good and it's good enough to hold up right now. So that's it. Oh, that's it. We can call it a wrap. You'll have to come back and level out the doors at the top here. All right.
And
Okay.
these doors.
Yeah, I gotta do them all. All these gotta be leveled. See here? See this? They don't have any left and right levelers on here. And that's the part that I filled in there, right in there. It's ready for paint. And that's it. Okay. Well, that's a wrap, and I'm out.
I wish you move.
Okay, good brother. It's all yours now.
Okay.